Hello everyone, welcome to today's future trading. So today we are going to open some future trades. So I hope my video is visible and my voice is audible to you guys. So let's open some trades. So currently we are seeing some green candles on Bitcoin. So yeah, we have a weekly candle closing in 6 hours from now daily and a weekly candle closing. So this volatility is expected. So I had a trend line which was acting as a support a few days back. So till now, which was acting as support is currently a resistance for Bitcoin. So let's open some position. Let's talk about Bitcoin first, and then let's speak about ALTs and which are the good points for opening up. So let's look closely. So we look over here. There are there is some, what do you say? We are seeing some green candles over here, but I still feel we lack volume for breakout from this trend line. So the first trade which will open is a short trade for Bitcoin. So it's a short position which we are going to open for Bitcoin. So we are going to open a short from rejection from the same trend line. So I'm expecting it to be rejected from this zone, which is near up to 52,400 to $53,000. So we're expecting a short position, like you can open from this range, from from this point to this range. Yeah, we can expect Bitcoin to test this support over here up to from 50 from 51,000 to, I mean, 52,000 to $53,000 trend line. I mean, zone, and we can open a position, short position from this zone, and you can close your short for with 1x leverage 9.23. So even I won't recommend more than 3 to 4x leverage. So keep a leverage below 5%, and you can keep open this short over here and keep your, what do you say, your target at this support where Bitcoin is currently been acting at near $47,000. And at this support, you take your first target. First target in the sense, imagine, let's consider we open a position of $100. So when we reach for $47,000, that's when you take your first profit and sell your half bag, and then you increase your next target up to $44,000, since there is a possibility we get a wick up to 44 to $43,000. So although your first target $47,000, don't close your bag completely. You can keep your bag open up to 42 to $44,000. So that's a good point. Okay, then your stop loss, don't forget stop loss over here, because if we have a good news, I mean, if there's a new adoption taking place, or there is a strong volume in Bitcoin, there's a chance we break this trend line in the second test. So your stop loss should be at this zone above $54,000. So this is the first short call which I'm giving it over here for Bitcoin. So it's, again, I'm saying the entry is above $52,000, 52 to $53,000 is your entry. Stop loss above $54,000, and your first target price will be at $47,000, and you can obviously increase your target price up to 44 to $43,000. I'm not, what is he saying that we're going to go down bearish. I'm just saying that we aren't going to break. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break the trend line in the second attempt. It might break it on the third attempt maybe, but it's just a consideration that we are not going to break, since there isn't any strong news in the market and it's year ending. So I'm not like, what do you say, quite bullish on Bitcoin at this point until now. If I get a weekly closing above $53,000 or a daily closing above $53,000, we are back bullish. We are back bullish, and it's above the bull band. We know, right? So it's the bull property again. So now let's look into the ALTs, few ALTs which will be good to open. First, let's look into Dollar Luna. There was something quite interesting which I had seen earlier for Luna. Okay, let's get rid of this. If you see, there's a trend line. I'll show you this trend line over here. There, if you look, Dollar Luna is trying to break out from this trend line, from this downtrend. There's a downtrend formation taking place, and from this downtrend, Dollar Luna is trying to break out, and this will happen if Bitcoin, what is it, stays in the current zone. Bitcoin has been moving sideways. So a perfect long position, I'm going to give you a long position for Luna. A perfect long position is from this support. You can see this is quite bounce. We, although we see wicks over here. I said in the early videos, the wicks are usually your stop losses being hit. So when it's a stop loss is being hit, you market sell. So these wicks are usually those market sells, so they are being bought back up immediately. So we can see there's some buying pressure taking place over here. So this is a good position. This price, which say below $60, $58 to $59, is a really good price for a long position. So you can open this, and your stop loss can be, you can keep 5% stop loss over here. And your target, if you break this trend line, I'm expecting it to test minimum up to, yeah, 70 to $71 dollar luna. We're going to get that height back again if we break this downtrend, because there'll be trend reversal, and then we can actually see up to $71 over here. So, but make sure you have stop loss over here. And for bears over here, so there are few members who like to short trades. So if you want to open a short, the first thing, or the first position where you can open a short is at this zone, at $72, 70 to $72. Yeah, we can open a short position over here. It's good. And then your stop loss will be about this level. You can see the wicks over here. So stop loss will be around 7%. But and your good target price, if you get a short position at $71, your good target price for your short would be at $60, this current price, because we can see that these dips are being bought back up. So this is quite good. I mean, you can open a short, but to open a short, you have to actually start with a long first from this support. So once you close your long, it's a good time to open a short position. But this is few swing trades which you have to understand. It's not like you can open right now, because the market is moving sideways and there isn't much happening in the market right now. Just few here and there weeks going on. So if you guys have any coins, you guys can post in the comments. We look into them and we'll see what's a good price to open. Let me give you guys one, what do you say, scalp trade. We look into CHR. Let's see if there's a scalp trading opportunity on CHR. Okay, see, here is a scalp trading opportunity, which actually this is something which, when you look at the charts, we get to understand. See, I can see that if we break out from 0.62, we will have a wick. Actually, we'll have a good wick up to 0.64. So there's a possibility. So this is scalp trading, where you pick a coin based on breakouts. So you can actually open a scalp trade. Let's say this point, if you want to open a scalp trade at this point, so entry will be this target 0.62, and breakout from this will give you a target up to, let's consider not for the wick, will give it a target up to 0.65. So this is your target for your scalp trade. Once we have a breakout from this, your target is this. So this is a quick scalp trade. If anyone is interested, you can, but obviously manage risk. It's weekly closing, high volatility is expected. So currently I'm just sharing with you guys, like, how do we scalp trade, and what do we consider. Mostly when we look at those charts, we understand where we can we scalp trade. So this CHR is one of the trades which you can open if you're interested in scalp trading, but again, it's somewhat high risk because of the weekly closing. So let's look at one more. I guess I spoke about Elrold on the previous video. Yeah, you can see there's a quite breakout. So here was a scalp trading opportunity actually. If you see for Elroll, there was a breakout from this zone. So currently we can have a target. Your target comes up to your up to $272 if you have already opened a trade after the breakout. If you have a retracement, it's good to open. You can open it below. You can open it below $260. Below $260, it's good to open a trade for Elroll with a target about $270. So if you're interested in opening a trade for Elroll, that's a good position for you guys. And obviously, you have to keep a stop loss below. Again, it's high risk trades because of the weekly closing and volatility which market is seeing. So let's look into Bitcoin. How's one guy? Prajit. Okay, where are you from? So currently I'm in Dubai. I have come for Expo. We I have actually said you guys, I guess, have coming for Expo. There has been few events for bit in the Expo city for what do you say? It's a country which has been termed as Bitcoin, and that's a big event for us, for our traders from few years. So there are a lot of we have spent a lot of bucks for it, and with a lot of people you have spoke about it. So it's a really great event, and you guys do have to come and actually visit the expo in Dubai, and it's a great event. And we're actually proud for cryptocurrency that there's a country itself as Bitcoin. I mean, yeah. So country over here. So if you guys have any recommendations or any trade, please post it in the comments. We'll look at those coins tokens. I'll just say you guys what's a good position to open. So for Bitcoin, like I said, it's 50,500. There's some quite weeks going on. You have seen a breakout from this trend line. So this is a point to be like where you can actually see this. It's facing some resistance over here, but it's short-term resistance, not a major resistance type. So we can actually break this resistance quite. It's not so hard, but we do need uh, a big news for Bitcoin to break the above trend line. So it's still a big concern for me and a few of my traders too, a few of my colleagues. So it's a big concern for us that we're still below the trend line, and it's year ending. We need strong news to have an uptrend. We need trend reverse in this other sense. Okay, that's bottom. So you guys don't need any analysis on any coins. If you guys have any analysis, if you guys need any analysis on any tokens or coins, post it in the comments. We'll look into them. So I guess we have opened three positions today. One was short for Bitcoin, then one call was for Luna, and then one we had for CHR. So these are the three trades for today. So I'll be posting it on my channels, the same similar trades and few more. So since you guys don't have any coins which you guys need for analysis, we'll end the video over here. So if it's going good, we'll do this daily, and you can have actually regular updates on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.